Naghahanap ka ba ng credible na broker or agent na mag-a-assist sa inyo ng maayos at magandang after sales? Good morning, good learning everyone. This is your Kuya Francis and I'm your Kuya Broker. Mga ka-property, kung kayo po ay naghahanap ng credible broker or agent na mag-a-assist sa inyo at magandang after sales that sells townhouse or house and lot in Quezon City, Pasig City, Mandaluyong City, Cainta, Antipolo, at soon to rise na malaki ang potential ang San Mateo Rizal na 10 minutes away lang from Batasan, Quezon City. Pag nag-inquire po sila sa amin, we will show you at least 3 best properties na pwede nilang pagpilian according po sa preferred budget po nila. The good thing with us is we make sure na smooth po ang ating transaction. After ma-turnover ang house sa aming clients, dahil may construction company din po kami ng Empire City Modern Builders Inc., we also assist our clients if may gustong renovation or revision ang aming buyers. Tulad ng magpadagdag po ng special features like CCTV and mga grills, kung saan po makakamura bumili ng appliances. Lastly, even how many years na po ang nakalipas, if our buyer needs an electrician or a plumber or a worker, kung may papagawa si client, magpapadala po kami ng credible na gagawa. Kaya mga ka-property, kung kayo po ay naghahanap ng credible brokerage group na may good after sales, just contact the Great Empire Realty Group. Again, this is your Kuya Broker. God bless po sa ating lahat.